New skyscraper in China features 108-meter-tall waterfall. As the Chinese province boasting the world's largest waterfall cluster, it should come as no surprise that Guizhou is now home to one of the largest artificial waterfalls in the world, too. The 108-meter-tall waterfall cascades off a swanky new skyscraper in the heart of Guiyang, Guizhou's capital. Called Liebian International Plaza, the mixed-use skyscraper is 121 meters tall and home to a hotel, shopping mall and offices. Getting the waterfall show ready isn't an easy feat, hence it will only be switched on for special occasions, officials tell local media. A huge water tank on the ground collects and stores water for the downpour. It takes 2 hours of prep time and is powered by 4 185-kilowatt water pumps. An hour-long showcase adds RMB $800, $118, to the building's electricity bill. Situated in the southwest of China, Guizhou is one of China's fastest-growing provinces, where multiple mega-projects are now under development. Already home to the world's largest single-dish radio telescope and the world's highest bridge, earlier this month it became the first province in China to sign a Hyperloop agreement,